A little bit windy today. The sun just came out. Haven't seen any Harlequin ducks. That's what I came for, but of course, when you come for something specific, it never shows up. Hopefully the wind ain't too bad. Try to keep the lav mic in my jacket. So there's some ducks. Just waiting on the people to walk up and down the rocks, and it kind of moves them along. And if you're sitting here, you know, pretty still, they'll just float right by. Yeah, it's hard to get down. You can't really get down to water level here. I was going to lay on the rocks. I brought my pad, but only about 6 inches difference, and this is more comfortable. So we'll see. I was going to go down there, but rocks are super slippery. Buggers fly fast. Let's see if I can get a few flight shots when they're coming toward me. Right now it's a little hard to do. When they're coming from that direction, I can't quite spin around. Helps to be younger. Shoulders don't move the way they used to. Knees don't bend the way they used to. So we'll take what we can get. Still breathing, so. Alright. I'll sit here and wait.